I am at the Elms Hotel in Worcestershire, England. Oh gosh, that word gets me every time. If you love quirky countryside spa hotels, this is seriously for you guys, and I cannot wait to show you what this hotel is about and why you will be wowed. The hotel is 43 miles south of Birmingham, and in fact, the Elms is just one of 5 hotels we will be exploring in a series of 5 English countryside retreats, each having their own specialty. This hotel fits the boutique chic category, and you'll see how much personality oozes from the design. From historical features in bold colors to botanical inspiration, you'll see why people consider the Elms a special hidden gem. The cozy check-in desk matches the feel of the boutique hotel and how they describe themselves as small but mighty. With 1 restaurant, 1 bar, and 23 individually decorated suites, you will want to explore every nook and cranny as soon as you walk in. Rooms off of the entrance hall lead to imaginative spaces that make you want to curl up with a book or relax with a drink. This Grade 2 listed building was built in 1710 during the Queen Anne period and was home to several notable families over the next 2 decades. In 1946, it was transformed into a hotel. In 2020, the property was sold to a new owner who reopened after a 1-year and multi-million-pound renovation. Before I show you what suite I'm in, I want to show you the other categories. Rooms go up to the opulent category, then we start getting into the suites. I stayed in the Epicurean suite that features a raised bed and standalone bathtub in the room. When you check in, they give you the Elms imprint. It's kind of like a newspaper, and it's really cute. It's all about the hotel, but in a newspaper form, and I love it. The first suite category was already so stunning, but of course we have to see what the other categories look like. The coach houses are apparently really good if you have pets, and the hotel is really animal friendly. Look at the Apperly suite. The bathroom is remarkable. Let me know which room you would go for in the comments. I'm still saving the best for last though. Wait until you see the spa because it's a botanical dream. If you check in early or have already checked in, feel free to hide out in the Badger's bar where they have crafty cocktails or try the local beer on tap. Many of the original features still remain, from ornate plaster ceilings and hand-carved wooden paneling. Staying here feels like stepping into a living piece of history, with a spa robe instead of a corset, thankfully. The Badger's restaurant offers all-day dining along with Sunday roasts and afternoon tea, but I came here for dinner. It was interesting to see a modern British menu with local produce that carries subtle Indian fusions like turmeric bread. Major food coma. Good morning. I am exploring the hotel and the grounds. It is such a fun place, and the grounds are absolutely stunning with amazing views. The building was designed by Thomas White, a protege of Sir Christopher Wren, who is the architect behind St. Paul's Cathedral. Let's go get some breakfast. The Badger's restaurant was set up for breakfast. I chose to eat in the smaller room with the buffet. The egg and avocado toast with halloumi was one of the best I've ever had. I took too big of a bite here, and sometimes I can't take filming myself seriously. The Elms is located just outside the market town of Worcester. It's surrounded by the Malvern Hills. Guests can go hiking, cycling, or have a picnic while admiring the views. History lovers can explore Whitley Court, a dramatic Victorian ruin with magical fountains and woodland walks, or take a short drive to Eastnor Castle, which looks like straight out of a fairy tale. If you're a shopper, visit Great Malvern for its charming boutiques and artisan delis. The Greenhouse Spa is an all-season indoor-outdoor sanctuary. When you walk in, you're instantly transported into a botanical world. They have the studio for classes and a gym, but I didn't get a chance to visit the gym on this occasion and couldn't find many pictures online, so sorry about that. I loved the area where you could get your nails done as well because you feel like you're in a forest. I loved this space. The spa features a hydrotherapy pool, sauna, steam room, botanical treatments using natural British skincare brands. It's so interesting. This hotel caters to a broad audience. You'll find more couples, wellness seekers on weekdays, and families and dog owners on the weekends. What do you think? Is this your hotel? Has the Elms captured your heart? Let me know in the comments, and here is a sneak peek of future countryside hotels to come.